Hello learners and welcome to U.S. History, Reconstruction to Present. We are on week 36 and this week we are completing units 11.18 up until 11.22. So you can see we start with advancements in technology and you can see all of the inventions and what impact they've had, government and big businesses, potentially monopolies, conservation movements, globalization, which is huge right now. You're seeing the impact of things not being created and being able to be shipped out of China and how they're having a direct impact on us. Lysol wipes nearly impossible to get right now with COVID because a lot of the products that to make the wipes are coming from China. So you understand how much we are affected by other things happening in the world. And then we move to demographic patterns in the United States. You can see the push and pull factors and what brought people to the United States, what keeps people here, what pushes them to go elsewhere. Okay. So our learning target is I can successfully understand the impact of technological innovations in the workplace and how it has increased productivity and the standard of living in the United States. And just think about what are a few inventions you cannot live without. Can you think of any inventions that were recently invented that have had a huge impact in your life? And even these glasses that I wear now, not real glasses, but my eyesight started to go a little not so good after I was staring at the computer for so long. So these are supposed to help me with the light from the computer and hopefully so I can continue to read. For quite some time, I lost the ability to read fine print. So that's had a huge impact in my life. Even being able to use Zoom with you guys and record. I use so much technology for school. I'm sitting here with two screens right now. So just think, any inventions that have really had a huge impact on your life. So just take a second and think about that. And maybe you can't live without them, which I can't imagine not having this amazing computer for school. Okay, so I want you to read the lessons for the week and then watch Advancements in Technology. It's a pretty recent video, so it's pretty cool. It talks about a lot of things that were recent that have happened. And then after looking through the lesson, in what ways have technological advancements improved society? And then just complete your units. So any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. If not, you have a wonderful, productive week. And don't be afraid to work ahead. We're going to kind of wrap things up here soon. And I'd rather you be ahead than behind as we wrap up this year. Okay, so any questions, like I said, reach out. If not, have a wonderful week. Thanks.